Bonjour and welcome to my kitchen. You're probably wondering why I have this utensil in my hand. Actually, you're probably not. I just cooked some bacon. It was pretty snazzy. My teacher told me to make some peanut butter and bacon cookies. Yes, peanut butter and bacon cookies. So that's what I'm doing actually. You're welcome. And if these turn out bad, I'm really sorry. I really hope I don't give you like food poisoning or something because I've never like done this before. So I just cooked the bacon. I shut that off, right? Yes, I did. Okay. Let's see the next step. Google. My hands smell like bacon. I just want to eat my hand. Oh my gosh. Micro problems. American problems. Because I'm an American and we eat bacon. Proud to be an American. Hold on. That's loading. Okay. Fry some bacon. Yes. Check. Put it on a paper towel to cool. And then put it into chop it into little pieces. And after that, sugar and peanut butter. Okay. So, a half cup of sugar and a half cup of brown sugar. So, oh, JK. Half cup. Half cup. Half cup. Oh my god, that did not just happen. What? Nothing. Don't worry about it. Got this all under control. I'll clean that up later. Brown sugar. Oh my god. So I just spilled a bunch on the floor. My dog is like sitting here eating it. Good. Jojo, I need you to move. Thanks. Now, let's see what else we need. 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm dropping everything. Oops. Yeah, that's good enough. Ew. I just dropped that. Oops. Oh my god, I am like a mess right now. Hold on, let me go wash this. now we mix it up. And I'm just going to use this really big spoon. Hello, diabetes! This looks so unhealthy. Oh my god. I feel like I'm gonna give my teacher like cancer or something. Do you guys see this? Oh, look at this. Oh my god, this is so depressing. All this sugar. Good enough. Now we need an egg. An egg. And okay. Teaspoon? Teaspoon. Teaspoon. Half teaspoon. Fourth of a teaspoon. Half teaspoon. Teaspoon of baking soda. I don't like using this spoon. It is really hard to mix. This looks so gross. This spoon is so big. Shut up! Yeah, I'm gonna use a fork instead. Okay. So now, got peanut butter all over me. Come on, look. Come on! Come on! What happened? Oh shit. Okay, yeah, hold on. I'm gonna wash my hands again since I'm like covered in milk. Okay, so now we're gonna like chop the bacon into little pieces. Let me go get a knife. Yay! That's not a knife. Okay. So, probably should use a plate. Put the bacon on a plate. Now we're gonna go chop it up. So now our bacon is all chopped up in little pieces. So, I just got a text message. Jay McCall, friends with Justine, added you as a friend on Facebook. Okay. And now we mix it again. Okay, the next step is to like roll them into little balls and then roll them in sugar. Don't worry, I washed my hands. You're not gonna get like food poisoning or I don't know. Okay, so ew, it feels weird. That's creepy. You don't get that if you have a t-shirt. Oh Okay, I'm gonna go get a bowl. Pour some sugar in it. Yeah. Roll this around in the sugar. Ta-da! I'm gonna put it on the plate, the pan, the cooking pan, pot, plate, Pluto, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. Cooking bacon cookies. Doo-doo, doo-doo. I feel like it's gonna be really nasty. Oh yeah. Really nasty. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh well, okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and then keep doing this and then play it again so you guys don't have to watch me sit here and make each freaking cookie, so. Okay, now that I've rolled all my balls, LOL, I'm going to like cross them, you know, yeah. Okay, so this batch goes in for 10 minutes. Now we wait 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. Okay, I'm retarded. They're done. Hallelujah. I'm gonna set them, let them cool, but I'm gonna try one, and if I like die, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. So I'm gonna wait for them to cool. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my god, this thing won't stop vibrating. Everybody keeps texting me. Okay, I'm gonna try one of these. You guys are gonna witness firsthand my reaction to peanut butter and bacon cookies. Oh my gosh. Okay. They're like not all the way cold yet. So they're all crumbly. But here they go. So scared. Okay.
You back now?
The remote wasn't accepted.
Complete signal loss.
You know,
Local channels interrupted.
they're not that bad.
Wait, it can't record if it's no show, right?
Right.
Shit. Why is this happening?
They're pretty good.
Yeah, local channels.
Okay, I'll stop.
There's
But,
five.
they're not really that bad. They're actually pretty good, actually. So, that was
It's on.
cooking in my kitchen. Peanut butter and bacon cookies. I would give these, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give them like an 8.5. They're not that bad. So you should go make them. Deuces. Oh, that was so gay.